Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sanjana. In today's video, I'll be doing a walkthrough of the 2023 calendar planners collection from a brand called Norii. This was actually sent to me by more than two people. So thanks a lot for everyone who shared it. And in case you have any other videos, any other brands that you want me to do a walkthrough on, do let me know in the comments, and or you can get in touch with me on Instagram too. Okay, let's get started with this particular video. We have the calendars and 2023 planner section here. I'm just really liking what I'm seeing here. I love the floral nature botanical illustrations. I feel they just make it, everything look so pretty. So they're really nice, and it also looks like we have two cover designs. Let's actually go through one of these. I'm liking everything. I like this. I'm really liking the calendar too. But let's have a look at this. And it is also an undated planner from what I see here. Loving the cover design. Love the illustrations, love the quote, love the gold detailing. Also it says we've got like few illustrations, monthly plans. Lately I've been getting attracted to undated planners a lot. Previously I used to not like them because I just felt it was very tedious to mark down the dates, and in case if I haven't used it one week, like things would mess up and it would really bother me a lot. But recently I've been really liking that concept of using an undated planner. Not exactly using them. I think this year's collection, I'm not sure if I have an undated planner or not. Anyways, I think Ruhani Rang is undated. Okay. Anyways, it's really nice so that in case if I want to pick some planner that's really popular and or that something that I really like, but already my planner collection is full, I can buy it. It'll be good for me to do a review and share my thoughts with you guys. Also, I can save it up and probably use like next year or the following year. I think that's a really nice thing. Or if I'm beginning any project in between the year, I can use an undated planner and start off from there. I'm really liking that concept. So it's nice to get a brand that has that. Then you have like your habit tracker. Unfortunately, I'm not able to zoom in. Let me just quickly open these tabs on the side. Here you go. This is the habit tracker. Love that it's individual habit trackers. They're quite helpful, and you also have a note section here in case you want to write down anything, any observations or some things that you need to keep in mind. I really like that. I started doing that in the Alicia Souza planner, and it's been quite nice. Then you have the financial sections. This is a very minimal version, but I think it's a good start. I started tracking my finances or doing something about it from 2020, 2019, 2020. In the Ink Bucket planner, we had that weekly expenses section. So I just started making note of it, and then slowly I moved towards creating a good plan and working based on that. So it's definitely a good start. And then this is the weekly layout. This is a horizontal layout. I don't see Sunday here though. It's just from Monday to Saturday. So that's a little bit strange. Usually I see planners like splitting Saturdays, one bar into Saturday and Sunday, or they add it over here at the bottom and make another section here for notes. So that's a little bit strange not to see Sunday, but I think you can take this up as what you can do is probably not use the planners on weekend and just give it a break. I think that'll be a good thing too, just to see how not be obsessed. And I don't think it's essential to use a planner every single day, so that'll be a good thing to try as well in case you really like this planner and you want to get it. Then we also have monthly cover pages. This looks really nice too, and lots of notes pages. Love that they have notes pages. Then you also have some sticker pages that I think is included with the planner, and a few cover pages again. Then we have monthly focus. So this looks like the monthly dashboard. and a self-care bingo game. So here you have to-do list, special events. It's a very nice minimal planner with like some of the essential spreads. I really like that. I love that you have some florals like throughout the planner, like in each and every page almost. See, it makes things look really pretty. Let's walk through the features and see in case if the images haven't covered them. 2 cover designs, yes, then plan the year ahead, lovely illustrations and a fun quote, monthly planner, self-care bingo, then habit tracker, income tracker, daily task list, which is this, then lots of noodles, notes and doodle sections for you to use the way you want to, then back paper pocket. Something is wrong with me today. Okay, back paper pocket, 80 plus stickers. I think we have sort of covered everything. There are some of the spreads that aren't here, things like reflections if you want to do that. The main thing that I see missing here is weekly and monthly reflections. So weekly reflections, it's fine. I think we can use this notes and doodle sections to do that. Monthly reflection, I think you can use one of these blank pages here next to the illustration page, and you can create a really pretty spread. Just try to make something different, or you can use the notes pages at the back too. Love that you're able to customize it, and it's an A5 size, so it's a little bit smaller than the regular planners that you find. But I must say, a lot of brands that I am seeing are moving towards A5 rather than the B5 one. So the paper is 120 GSM, which is again a good thing. Then ribbon bookmark, and in elastic pen holder, shipping 3 to 5 days. Okay, that's really quick and nice. Love it. Let's just quickly look at the cover design. It's just so confusing to see because they look really nice, and I saw this combo here, like the green calendar looks so good with the beige cover design. I think that's really nice. You also have this keychain in case you want to buy the planner along with the keychain, or the calendar along with the keychain. I want to see just the calendar too because it's looking quite nice. I've already gotten 2 calendars. I'm not looking for another, especially the desk calendar. I'm looking for a wall one. But you know what? No, let's just have a look. I think it'll be fine. Looks like it is a Sunday start. Yes, it is. That's not my preference at all, but really like the designs. I love that how the florals have taken over throughout the card, and then you have a quote at the top here. Really like that. I think it would look a lot pretty. Yeah, this is quite good. Like the desk calendar too. It is nice. Let me know what you think. I wish I would have come across these brands in the beginning. I was just my focus was on a few other things, so probably I haven't come across it, but I'm gonna keep my eye on them and a few other brands too. So when they have undated planners, it'd be really nice to just save it in case if there are any good deals going on and stuff, you can pick it up, and like I said, you can use it at any time of the year. Here it says flat 20% site-wide sale. I saw a lot of brands saying that it ends on the 28th or 29th, but the offers are still valid for many. So let's just check and see if we're able to get discount on this one, if it's still valid, although it says 29th, today is the 30th. I don't see a discount adding up. Anyways, let me know what you think about this. Did you like it? Did you know about this brand before? I'd be really interested to know your thoughts. Also, in case you have any other brands that you want me to do a walkthrough on, do let me know. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.